Good morning, everybody. It is November 24, 9:37 in the morning. Back out here to keep trimming the windows. I went to Home Depot this morning, got 4 12-footers and 10 8-footers, 1x4s. Keep on working my way around. I might go ahead and do the bottoms of these since I'm already here and get that looking finished to a point. I mean, we still got to do the top, but beautiful day. Every day's been getting a little bit less windy and a little bit warmer. I think in a couple days it's supposed to get cold again. Hopefully not as much wind. I don't care. I like breezes, but I don't like a lot of wind. All right, let's get to it. I'm trying to see what a jigsaw does today instead of the skill saw. I brought the skill saw over, but I just want to see in this simple little cut. The skill saw was, how should I say, it was having a hard time getting through this exact distance. It was okay. It's definitely livable and doable. I just want to see if this will go any easier. I like that. It's a lot easier to do. It takes a little bit more concentration to make sure it's straight. That's pretty straight. Just staying right on the line. But I can see that can be the challenge. All right, I'm really undecided on how I am putting this caulking in. Obviously, I want to seal here along the top. I just don't want anything getting in there. But then when it comes to the bottom, I don't even know if it's necessary. And if water gets in here, you want it to be able to come out the bottom. So I feel like putting caulking in here could be hurting me, because if water got in there, then it would stop behind there. It's a little bit of the reason why I'm not filling these in. I feel like at least water gets into these seams, it can kind of drain out there. And I didn't do a fabulous job underneath these because I was really torn. What do I do? Honestly, I mean, this is just trim. It's kind of like battens going sideways, and I can see that I did caulking yesterday, and I caulked this pretty good, and then I painted it and it filled it in, and now I see it kind of withdrew from itself a little bit. So I don't know. I don't think too many people are just going to get up and underneath and look. So the look's not going to affect it too much. Like, I don't think that's going to be a big deal. I just want, if water gets in there, to be able to get out, but I really don't think water's going to get in there. I've sealed this thing all over place and 10 different ways. What do we got? What did we start out with? We got going around the whole interior just like this is Tyvek. All the way just like this inside every window. And then we got the window goes on, and then we have another 3-inch strip of very tough, that waterproofing tape that goes all the way around the outside of it. And then on the inside, I've caulked a couple times and put some foam in there, and I still need to make it a little bit better looking, which I will, do when it's time for drywall. I'll really finish it off nicely. And then on the outside of these, where there was big gaps on the windows, I put some foam on the outside. And now I've got trim going all the way around that I've painted along the outside, and I have caulked around the outside of all of these. So I'm hoping that it's pretty waterproof and keeps air from going in and out as well. So all right, back to work. That's what I had to say about that. It's a little after 5. Sun is going down and I'm running out of time. So I don't know what all I've showed, but all these are done, and the batten, as much as I had to use, is done. Did this end, and this is completely painted and done. Then I got to this side. This is done but not painted. And I remember tomorrow Valentina's coming out with me, hopefully, and we're going to be doing top. Got this one done all the way around, not painted. This one I ran out of pieces. I need one more piece along that bottom, 1 8-footer. And did this one on this end too. So needs to be painted. And all this on this side needs to be painted. And I was going to do it, but then I thought, well, I'm going to have one more piece here to paint tomorrow as well. The top one's Valentina's wanting to do brown, so it'll be a different color. All this stuff is caulked and ready to go. This one I'll have to caulk because I have that one piece to do. The sun is going down. But yeah, I mean, I got quite a bit done today. I need to swing by Home Depot in the morning and get a 1x2. I got pieces for the top to finish the batten going up after we put the 1x6s up there. But I needed one right here. So I need a 5-footer for there. I gotta buy that tomorrow. And then that 1 8-foot, or it's less than 5 foot also. 1x4 over there, 1x2 here. All right, guys, been a long day, but I'm really happy with progress. Getting close to being done with the trim. Be really awesome if between Valentina and I tomorrow we could finish that up. All right, we'll see you guys next time I'm out here. Good morning, everybody. November 25, just after 10. And I just went to Home Depot and got the 2 pieces I need to finish up. I didn't care if this was messed up right here because I'm cutting that end off. I got a little bit more caulking because I'm getting close to running out on that. And my wife is supposed to be here. She's off today and was supposed to come out so we can finish. She knows what brown paint and how she wants it done on the tops. And she just left home. I don't think we'll finish today. I was hoping we were, but I don't think so. Another day for me tomorrow on my own. So yeah, gonna get this tractor started up, go get my tools and all that stuff like I do every single day. Get everything, bring it up, and get to work. Alright guys, it's 3:30-ish. Haven't really filmed much of what I'm doing because some of it's been a struggle, but it's just been Valley and I working a system, and so this is what we got going on. We got all the way around. I'm waiting for the last piece to dry. was what she went for. It kind of reminds me of a Tudor style. And those tops are actually going to match our front entryway. All that dark wood is going to be this color. I don't know how I feel about it. I think once we have the front entryway, it'll tie in. Oh. That's where we're at. At least we're almost done. Once this final piece goes on, I need to do the batten right there. And at the top, the little piece there, I already cut that piece. That'll probably be something I do at a later date because I've already basically got rid of all the white paint. Roller thing was shot. I've used it up and stuff. So now Valentina is telling me that she wants not battens up and down, but she wants this batten horizontal to go all the way around. She liked it so much, she wants it all over. I guess I'll be doing that tomorrow. Probably I'll go buy some and put all that in. One more day. Almost 5 o'clock. We're wrapping it up, put everything away, get ready to go. I will see you guys back out here tomorrow. I think I'll be doing that horizontal batten. So back out there to finish some more. See you the next time I'm out.